Imagine giving an AI agent access to your bank account, your GitHub repository, your email, and your production servers. Could you trust it? Probably not. But here is the scary part. Most AI agents today are authenticated using a single API key with almost unlimited permissions. They don't have identities, they don't have accountability, and they often don't follow the same security rules as we do. That's exactly why agent security and agent identity are becoming one of the hottest topics in the AI. In this video, you will learn why every AI agent needs its own digital identity, how enterprises secure autonomous agents, and the architecture that will likely become the future of the AI systems. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Curious Architect. On this channel, we simplify AI, agentic AI, enterprise architecture, build everything locally whenever possible. Today, we're going to understand and solve the complex problem related to the AI security. Let's imagine your company as an AI coding assistant. It can read GitHub, access Jira, create pull requests, deploy applications. Now imagine another AI agent handling customer support. It can read customer data, issue refunds, send emails, access payment systems. Here is the question: how does the company know which agent performed an action, whether it was authorized, who owns that agent, what permission it should have, whether it has been compromised? If every agent simply shares the same API key, you have absolutely no accountability. It's like giving your entire company one master key. Let's understand why traditional security is not applicable for AI agents. Traditional software is predictable. You know exactly which API it will call, what moment it will call, and so on. AI agents are different. They can reason, plan, choose tools, create multi step workflows, even delegate work to other agents. This makes them more dynamic compared to the traditional. Traditional systems were built for women's like us, applications, services, not autonomous decision makers. And an AI agent needs something completely different: a digital identity. Microsoft and other enterprise security vendors now describe AI agents as a new category of digital identity that requires a dedicated identity, governance, access controls, rather than treating them as a ordinary applications. Now let's understand what is a agent identity. Think of an employee. Every employee has employee ID, email, role, permissions, manager, audit history. Now imagine giving exactly same concept to an AI agent. Every AI agent receives unique identity, authentication, defined permissions, ownership, lifecycle management, audit logs. Instead of saying some AI made this change, you can now say code review agent version 2.1 executed this deployment using a temporary credentials on behalf of Alice. That's accountability. Imagine this architecture. User like to interact with the agent, right? What will happen? User uses the identity provider, maybe Okta, Auth0, and will be authenticated. Agent receives after the authentication. Agent verifies the permissions against the policy engine configured. If the policy engine is allowed for that user, tool execution will be called behind the scene. It can be a GitHub, Slack, email, database, CRM. It could be any tool you have configured to expose, and everything guarded by the policy engine. And finally, everything will be logs and audited. Notice something interesting? The AI agent never directly owns a permanent credentials. Instead, it requests a temporary access. The identity provider verifies the policies. The policy engine decides only then the tool executes. This follows zero trust principles and avoids giving agents a long lived secret instead of favoring just in time or short lived access with a Central policy enforcement. Authentication was authorization. Let's clarify. Authentication answers, who are you? Authorization answers, what are you allowed to do? For agents, authentication means I am the financial approval agent. Authorization means you may approve invoices below 10K dollars, not above, not production servers, not customer databases, only exactly what you are allowed to access. That is called least privilege access. Let's talk about the biggest threats. Shared API keys. If one compromised key is allowed, every agent is compromised in the network. Prompt injection. Someone tricks the agent. Instead of summarizing an email, it suddenly starts deleting documents. Accessible permissions. The agent only needs a calendar access, but it also has email, database, production, HR system. That's extremely dangerous. No audit trail. Imagine asking, who deleted these files? And the answer is, we don't know. Agent to agent trust. Soon agents won't just talk to persons, they will collaborate with other agents using protocols like MCP, A2A. Now, every receiving agent must verify who sent this request. Is this agent trusted? Does it have a permissions? Identity becomes essentials for secure multi-agent collaboration. If you are building an AI agent today, follow these principles. Every agent gets a unique identity. Never hardcode API keys. Use temporary credentials. Give minimum permissions. Log every action. Keep women owner responsible. Rotate credentials regularly. Monitor agent behavior continuously. Security researchers increasingly recommend treating the AI model as an untrusted component and enforcing security at the system level with identity, policy, and auditing rather than relying only on a prompt safety. So, why this matters to us? Today we have person identity. Tomorrow we will have agent identity. Every enterprise deploying hundreds or even thousands of AI agents will need to answer simple questions. Who is this agent? Who owns it? What can it access? Who approved it? Can we revoke it instantly? Without those answers, AI cannot safely scale inside enterprises. So, remember this: an intelligent AI agent without identity is like an employee with no ID card, no manager, and unlimited access to every room in the company. That's not innovation. That's a security incident waiting to happen. If you enjoy this deep dive into AI architecture, subscribe to The Curious Architect. Every week, we break down advanced AI concepts into a practical, developer friendly explanations. And whenever possible, we build them locally from scratch. I will see you in the next one.